Hello and welcome to Graphic. This is me, Fazilat Ali Ahmed, and today's tutorial is about how to wrap the text around the circle. So, let's get started. Select the ellipse tool and draw a circle while holding down the Shift and Alt button. Switch the stroke. Keeping the circle selected, select the Type on Path tool and click on the circle. Add the text. Click and drag this handle to rotate it, or place the cursor on any four corners of it and rotate it when this arrow sign shows up. Select the circle and drag it while keeping the Alt button pressed to make a copy of it. Add the text. Select and drag the handle to rotate it. Select both circles and align it horizontally and vertically center. But here's a problem with the text on the bottom. It is upside down. To solve this, select the text and go to Type menu. Select Type on Path option. Check the preview. Check the flip. And select the center for Align to Path and click OK. Rotate it. Now, here's another issue. The text on the top is above the path, whereas the text on the bottom is on center of path. So, we will again go to the Type on Path options while keeping the text on the top selected. Check the preview and select the center for Align to Path and click OK. Select the ellipse tool and draw a circle from the center of other circles while keeping the Alt and Shift button pressed. Click on the stroke to open the stroke panel. From here, check the dashed line. Double-click the stroke and choose the appropriate color. And we are done! That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and do subscribe my channel as I'm gonna upload more videos that will help you grow. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!